About monitoring device using AI monitoring method and program. This patent provides an ultimate monitoring system using AI. For example, a fire such as a fire after a snatch, a bicycle collision, or a fire that you do not know when it will occur in your daily life. Abnormal situations such as robbery, road rage, dangerous driving, car-to-car contact accidents, fights, etc. are automatically determined by the AI mounted on the monitoring camera. In addition, by installing this monitoring camera in a car or drone, it will be possible to apply the optimum abnormality judgment model at any time according to changes in location due to movement, intensification and increase of natural disasters, increase of accidents due to aging society, diversification and sophistication of crimes, etc. In modern society, the dangers in daily life are increasing, and there is a need for excellent monitoring cameras so that people can live more safely. Problems with conventional monitoring cameras. In order to detect anomalies with conventional monitoring cameras, it was necessary for observers to constantly monitor the images. In addition, conventional AI-based monitoring cameras require customized settings for each installation location, and then only certain anomalies could be detected. The monitoring camera using this patent has 3 features that solve the problems of the conventional monitoring camera. The first is that AI automatically determines the type of monitored target. Next, it is possible to acquire abnormality judgment according to the monitoring target from the cloud. The third is to constantly update the anomaly judgment model. First, I will explain how to automatically determine the type of monitoring target by the first AI. Conventional AI monitoring cameras could only detect specific abnormalities by customizing settings according to the installation location. However, the monitoring camera of this patent does not require such customization. An AI automatically determines the type of object to be displayed in the image. Next, about acquiring the abnormality judgment model according to the monitoring target from the cloud. First, the optimum one is acquired from various abnormality judgment models on the cloud according to the type of video judged by the AI mounted on the monitoring camera. In this case, you can see that it applies to the urban road model and intersection model among the abnormality judgment models stored in the cloud. When AI detects an abnormality, it outputs and reports the abnormality to the appropriate report destination according to the type of abnormality. In this case, the fire department, police, and hospital will be notified of the abnormality. In this way, with this patent system, it is possible to automatically make a request for rescue etc. to the necessary organization without relying on human power. Many abnormality judgment models that can respond to various locations such as parking lots, detached houses, warehouses, department stores, shopping streets, offices, factories, etc. are stored in the cloud. It is possible to detect various abnormalities according to the monitoring target. Finally, about constantly updating the anomaly judgment model. The abnormality judgment model of the monitoring system using this patent is updated from time to time to respond to changes in the monitoring target that change depending on the season, event, time zone, etc. Next, I will explain the case where this monitoring camera is mounted on a moving body, along with an image movie. This is a video of a drone shooting over the road. In the acquired video, AI automatically determines the type of object such as roads, cars, and fields. In addition, AI detects abnormal situations such as fires that have occurred in the fields using an abnormality judgment model according to the type of object. When mounted on a moving object such as a car, robot, or drone in this way, an abnormality judgment model corresponding to changes in the monitoring target due to movement is used. It will be possible to respond swiftly and extensively in the event of an accident or criminal disaster. By utilizing this AI monitoring system, it will be possible to live a safer and more secure life. And this monitoring system will be a type of social infrastructure.